Hello, Sundari. Today we're going to be reviewing the new Maybelline Vinyl lipsticks. I got it in the shade 06 Saucy. Love the packaging. Look at that. This lipstick was everywhere about a month ago and I've used it for about a month, different weather conditions, different days, and I can tell you this is hands down one of my favorite lipsticks, particularly lipsticks that last me a long time. I'm a lip balm fiend, so I keep on applying my lip balm over this. I really like the shade range. This 06 Saucy is my lips but better. Absolutely love this. This is a great every single day wear nude. I'm in NC25. One problem that I have is the outer packaging does not really match with the shade inside, because you can see this is the color, this is the packaging. It don't make no sense, but that's what it is. Just like any other Superstay lip product, when you eat anything with oil, it will start coming off from the inside of your lips. You do have to reapply it. It's not the problem with this. It's just that's just how color chemistry works. Apart from that, this lasts on my lips a very long time. I would say about like 9 hours. Apply it in the morning and throughout the day, I just apply any of my lip balms. Have you tried this? Let me know in the comments.